So this is the bathroom sink, and these are the shut-off valves, and this one is stuck. Like, I can't turn it any more than that, and it's supposed to be able to turn more to shut off the water, versus this one spins fine. Like, it's open, now it's closed, and this is, you know, just to show you. So it's off, but still going, and it's not really that big of a deal because if I really wanted to shut off the water to the sink, I could just turn it off from the main. But sometimes you just need to turn the water off from underneath the sink, and then like you can't because these valves go bad. So we're gonna replace this valve. I need paper towels, plumber's pliers, our orange tool to mark the PVC, and a 1/2-inch shark bite shut off valve. Alright, we're at the water heater. We're going to turn off the water at the main valve. And we're going to open the faucet, release all the pressure. We'll put some paper towels down because some water inevitably is just going to come out. And we're going to disconnect the hose. Now we're going to take the valve, shut-off valve off at the nut back here, and it looks like whoever put this on used some kind of green cement. I've seen this before, and it is like nearly impossible to get anything off with this stuff. So if I can't get it off, then I'm just gonna cut the PVC pipe like right behind the valve. All right, we got our cutter. We're gonna cut this thing off. All right, we got our 1/2-inch shark bite valve. This end is gonna go on the PVC, and this end is what the water hose is gonna go on. I'm gonna take this white thing out because these, I don't know, I've heard some people keep them, some people take them out, and the new shark bites don't even have them, so they just get in the way for me, so I'm just gonna take it out. And the bag came with these pieces, which we don't really need, so just put them to the side. Got our orange tool, and you're gonna need a Sharpie too. Sorry, I forgot that. And this is a 1/2-inch PVC, so put it on there, mark it. Gonna spin this. All right, so we're gonna just put it on. Now you put the water hose back on. Turn the water on. No leaks, all good. Okay, so I'll open the cold side. Yeah. Alright, so it's still closed. And I'll open the hot side. Ta-da! Gotta let the air out of the system. All good. Like and subscribe.